Hello guys, welcome YouTube channel guys, Produce Vlog guys. Let's test run the diesel engine. Let's go. First test run guys, we need to off jack pump. After we set in manual mode this one, we need to cover our working with water guys. After next guy, you need to okay jacket pump. Next electric pump. Before you test guys, you need to check the packing line guys. Packing line. After you on the electric, now we will run in. Start guys. Pero you set auto jacket pump. Okay guys, shout out guys, don't forget subscribe to channel Produce Vlog, and shout out Arif auto, shout out Arif. Okay, after guys, we need to close the open the discharge valve like that. Now, the jacket pump auto mode. Cut off, stop. Cut off guys sa 148 PSI. Okay, this system guys before already passed by the Philippines and normal system. That's why we are testing only little minutes guys. Before we run this one 5 minutes and 10 minutes electric and diesel engine. Thank you. Shout out. Don't forget subscribe to the channel. Right.